You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to get started. I'm Noor Tarzi, and I'm excited to join you in your technology journey. So let's get started and learn more about WordPress. Chances are you have heard about it more than thousands of times. Yes, it's the most popular platform to build a website. I'm going to share with you first some infographic and some numbers about WordPress. It might be not the most recent infographic, so the number might be not 100% accurate, but it will give you some clear idea about WordPress. So WordPress is an open source engine powered by PHP. So what does open source engine means? It means it gives you an access to the whole code. You can change whatever you want to change. You can customize whatever you want to customize. You have access to the entire code. There is nothing hidden, nothing locked. You will be able to customize it however you want to customize it. And it's powered by PHP. There are few common programming languages out there, and PHP is one of the very most popular ones. So it's commonly used in over maybe 80% of the websites online. Now, WordPress is used by over 12% of the million biggest websites, powering almost 9% of all websites on the net. That's equal around 16 millions of download, which is around 2 downloads per second. So while I'm talking right now, there are a lot of people who are learning, downloading, and building their business on WordPress. Soon, in a few minutes, you will be one of those people. In here, you can see some information about how did they grow the business. They have been around for over 10 years. It's really an open source, I will show you what is a plugin, but they have around 11 or 12,000 plugin available, and this is as of October 2010. So now we are 2013. I can guarantee you they have like at least double this numbers of plugins. And what is a plugin? Plugin basically is a custom code that you can very easily by one click add to your website to add extra features to it and customize it and make it function the way you would like it to, without doing any custom coding, without even any need to call any programmers. So you can see here that there's some of the most common plugin used. A lot of Contact 7 is one of the most famous one, because you definitely would need that plugin to build a contact us page or capture leads. What is some of the features for WordPress? Internal search engine, which mean you will be able to search anything within your website, and you can even have your visitors be able to search your website as well. Link management, which mean if you have a page, let's say, that talks about how to build a website, so the link would be mybusinessname.com / how to build a business, and you can manage that link, customize it however you would like. Template system, you can add as many templates as you like to your WordPress. You can activate, deactivate any template at any time. You can customize those templates, which is we're gonna learn in detail. Plugin, again, there's thousands and thousands of plugins that you can install with one click to your website. Widget, RSS feed, themes, tagging. We are going to go through all of this in detail. So let me show you what exactly a WordPress, like what can you really do with WordPress? How would the website look like in WordPress? Here is a WordPress website. This is our website. If you have not visited it yet, please do. And you will be able to learn a lot about what we do in here. And if you click on any of this, this is all built by WordPress. And you see it's very, very customized. And with call for action, you can click on get started right now. And you have this contact form, which was built by a blogin. And you can see here, you have all different types of function. Another example of what you can do with WordPress would be this website that we have built for one of our clients, Bride World Expo. You can see that it looks totally different than our website. And still, this is a WordPress website. You can register for any of the events in here. It's an event registration system, which is all built on WordPress. Here's all the information to register for an event. You can go to vendors and then browse different categories. And here we go. You can see all those people with their information. Planning, registering. Expos. This is the upcoming expos with all the information, activities, vendors. This is all done by WordPress. And as you can see, you can also add this share button here, which is again, it's another plugin that you can install into your website, and people would be able to share the information on Facebook, Twitter, all that fun stuff. This is another example of one of our clients. It's again a WordPress website. Very different than the two I showed before. It's WordPress again, very customizable. They can do everything on their own. Very easy to manage. Here's a whole new website. And the main reason I'm showing you those examples is to basically tell you, you can do anything with WordPress. They don't even look similar. They're very unique, very different, and then you can capture email addresses, do call for action, really anything you imagine. WordPress.org is the official website for WordPress to have you actually download WordPress, build your own website, and you have to be very careful. If you go to WordPress.org, this is where basically you download WordPress, upload it to your own hosting, and then build your own website that is hosted at your end. Versus if you go to WordPress.com, that's a whole different thing. That's you creating a website at their end, at their hosting, which is we don't want to go over this at this point. That's not the purpose of this tutorial. So make sure if you're checking what is WordPress to go to WordPress.org. All right, sounds good. Next tutorial, we're gonna actually put some hand-on, log into the hosting, install WordPress, and start having some fun. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.